See, Beaver? Henrietta? Go get it! Okay, the chicken was faster than you were. No one? Really? Ready? Go get it! Good girl, Henrietta! Good job! Oh, pick her up. Pick her up. Pick her up. No! Missing someone. It's 3:38, Wednesday, August 19th. Say hi to the farm vlog.
Hi.
And now we're hooking up the trailer. Oh my, oh, okay. Just the goose. So we have this four-wheeler that really, oh, you were way too big for that.
So small.
Don't go back there because they're hooking up the trailer. So he's staying here. Come on, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Oh, that was so sad. Say hi.
Because yesterday when I took on an ice cream, I became depressed. That's how people become depressed.
Beaver. We're still trying. Let's try one more time. Ready, Beaver? Ready? Go get it.
Too shy.
No, you ruined it. Why? So over here are all the dog houses. We are power washing. Why did I say that so weirdly? Power washing. And here's Bubba. Wait, that's not Bubba. Who the crap is that? Just some random black cow. Where did all the other ones go? All our other black cows are gone. And that over there is her baby, if you can see. I used to go swimming in this when I was about her age.
Ew.
What? Electric fence, and Mary Alice just told Maisie to touch it. Second of all, Henrietta, the chicken, walked up there and then she got shocked. And I think all the blackberries are kind of shriveled up and gone because it's August now.
Oh, this right here lasted 17 years. I'm joking.
Yeah, here's some of them.
Pick the red one.
No, don't pick the red ones. Do you want to eat it?
Oh. I ate the raspberry bushes and now it's gone.
We do John Deere tractors. What tractors do we do?
John Deere.
Uh-oh.
He told me after I did it because I didn't ask permission to do it in the first place. I just saw the first 2 boxes were full.
All the honeybees are over here
Yeah.
getting a drink.
Look what I found. See that? That's snake skin from the black snake. It lives in there somewhere.
Now listen, there is a chance you can get stung.
I have never been stung.
And I walk up to the box like this, okay? But if anyone gets stung, please walk to the house.
What are they doing?
Makes me nervous.
Yeah.
I only wear that one. If you guys like doing this, I'll buy a couple more suits.
I am. So they're mowing over there. It's Papa and Alfie. Really? That's a good sign. That means it's full of honey.
Somebody go inside and give me a bowl. Do you care?
Okay.
So, let's do.
look like trash. It's fine.
You don't look like trash.
You're a cute liar. Hey, Henrietta. She just got stung by a bee in the pant legs. I guess they're putting cows up.
What?
They're putting cows up. This is a Dixie. Hey, baby. So, I'm coming inside after playing the piano for a while.
It was an accident.
Oh,
I went like shocked by accident.
okay.
And dropped all of those berries on the ground.
Are these Billy's?
Yes.
Now turn it on. Motto would be like,
Mary Alice, pose. Okay, so Mary Alice just had a photo shoot,
yeah, you want to see it?
so I'll edit the photo.
Okay.
Huh? Do you want a photo shoot, Maris?
Where's the leaf folder?
Maris is a little grouchy.
Grouchy green.